scene. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back.